shit. This is a skirt. I feel like I'll know what it's giving once I actually try it on. And then it's long sleeve. Hopefully I don't get hot. Damn. Damn. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Danny P. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Nice of you guys to bless me with your presence this evening. Well, whatever time you're watching this. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be filming a Shein haul today. I didn't really get that many stuff, guys. It's really like, this is how much I got, and the package is not even that big. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. It feels so good to be opening packages. Y'all, I haven't ordered stuff in such a long time. Oh shit. I think I should start with accessories first. The first thing I got from Shein is this cute sage green bag. Ah, y'all, this is cute. Okay, and it has a strap. Yes, we need the strap. So nice and spacious. We like that, we like that. And it's not so stiff. I don't like when the Shein bags are like super stiff, but I really like this little gold chain on here, but it kind of looks a little cheap. Y'all see how this looks really cheap? Not feeling it, not feeling it. But I'm feeling the rest of the bag though. I think it's really, really cute. Oh, here's my outfit that I'm wearing today, guys. It's just a nice little cute crop sweater shirt and then this corduroy brown skirt. You know it. The next thing that we got is a hat. Now, last time I ordered a hat from Shein, I actually liked it. So I was like, let me try this one. And it was corduroy. So I was like, I really do have to try this. Off rip, I'm really not liking this little flat brim. Like, you already know the trick. I guess that just kind of did a little better. I wish I could actually try on the hat, but I can't. I don't know if I'm feeling this, y'all. Not gonna cap. It's really flat. I'm not feeling it. Okay, what are we gonna open next? Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. This is a skirt. So the skirt has these little strings in it that's going down the sides. And I got this because I was just like, I want something a little scandalous. I did think this skirt was gonna be more stretchy. Hopefully the skirt is comfortable, but it looks pretty good from what I'm looking at. Pretty good material. It has a zipper on the side. Oh, and it's one of those tough zippers. Y'all know these type of zippers? These zippers are so tough. I got this in a size medium, so hopefully it's cute. All right, next thing is something black. Ooh, y'all. Who the fuck do I think I am? Cause look at this shirt, y'all. Look, this is giving dominatrix. Honestly, I'm excited to see what I look like in this and where I'm going to wear this to. Like, what? This is a corset leathered shirt with some string action going on in the side, front, side, and then the back is just a zipper. It's not really giving too much stretch, which is understandable because it is leather, so it makes sense. What do you guys think about this shirt? Like, do y'all see yourself wearing something like this, or is it just me? Let's move on to the next item. Okay, so this next item is something white now. So this shirt right here is a halter top. This is what this halter top is giving. So this is gonna tie around the neck, and this is gonna tie around the back. The material is kind of like a spandex material, and there is there's a good stretch to it. Hopefully the shirt is not see-through, because you know white shirts, they kind of be see-through in the boob area, so hopefully it's not. This looks really, really cute, honestly. I like how it has this, this is giving this handkerchief type thing at the bottom, so it's gonna give like a corset vibe, kind of. But yeah, this is really, really cute. I like this. Let's move on to the next item. I believe this next item is a two-piece set, and I am right. This item is something I was most excited for as well. This is the shirt to the two-piece. So basically the cute little heart, little metal thing in the middle. That's gonna go for the top. And then the bottom are basically these flared out pants at the bottom. And then on the side, my favorite part is this cute thingy. And honestly, this material is feeling really, really comfortable, but it's giving see-through vibes. So it's looking like a thong, or I don't even know what type of underwear I can wear with this showing on the side. But hopefully it's not too see-through. Honestly, we're gonna hope and pray. I like the material. This is in the size medium. Honestly, cannot go wrong with two-piece. And then black at that. Everybody looks so sexy in black. Well, the next thing I got are a pair of jeans. Y'all, the last time I got a pair of jeans, it was not really the best luck. But I read the reviews for this one and they said that this one was giving stretch. Basically, it's just these medium light wash jeans, and they have these nice little rips going down the bottom. My favorite part, have this cute little cutout right here. Honestly, they're giving a lot of stretch, so I can automatically tell that these are gonna fit me really, really well, and they're gonna go all the way down to my ankles. I got this in a size large though, or it says 30, but I think 30 is a large. So now I know when I'm ordering from Shein, my size for jeans is large. I'm never ordering anything less than a large. The next thing I got from Shein is this cute green shirt. I remember this shirt. Ooh, this material. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to show you. It has these like bikini cutouts. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's like this is giving bikini, and then we have something on top to cover the bikini. I don't know, y'all. I just thought it was really cute on the model, so that's why I picked it up. Honestly, really curious on how it's gonna look on my body. Hopefully it's really cute. You're probably gonna see that it's cute right now when I show you guys. But yes, y'all, I just thought this was super cute because honestly, this is giving a night out, heels. This is giving, what is this giving? I don't know what this is giving. I feel like I'll know what it's giving once I actually try it on. Oh, I did get me some bathing suits. Now, one of these bathing suits I'm actually just trying out because this is not necessarily my go-to as for bathing suits, but I thought it was kind of different. So I was like, shit, I'll try it. This is the top of the bathing suit. So it's like this fiery pink flame, and honestly, I'm trying to see how I feel about it. I like it from what I'm looking at. Hopefully it looks cute on. And here are the bottoms. So the bottoms basically like you have to hook it to what's gonna be your size. So first thing I'm thinking, hopefully this is comfortable. That's what I'm thinking. And also hopefully the water doesn't rust this. So now I'm thinking like, was this really a good idea to order? I don't know. Can't knock it till you try it, but I do want to show you guys the cover up that I got with it to bring it all together. Here it is. So it's basically like this fishnet short sleeve cover up, and it has slits on the side. I really thought this was gonna be super cute up under this cover up. Y'all see it now? Is it coming together now? Let's get to the next bathing suit, and this is the last bathing suit, and also I got a cover up to go with this next bathing suit too. So it's basically this sage green bathing suit. I really, really, really love this color. I was like, I have to get a sage green bathing suit. Like, come on. It just has scrunchies right here for the front and the back. And then same thing for this one. It just has scrunchies right under the boob. So yeah, just a regular bathing suit. Here's the cover up that I chose to buy with it. Y'all, and then it's long sleeve. Hopefully I don't get hot. Damn. But yeah, this is super, super cute. And it's really, really stretchy, and it feels like it's gonna be really comfortable. So yeah, what are y'all thinking? Y'all think it's gonna go together? Ooh, with the purse? Nah. Those two items were the last item of the Shein haul. Like I told you guys, nice, short, and simple. Tell me guys what you think about the items that I did purchase from Shein. I hope you guys like them. And also, let me know which item was your favorite down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.